Good morning. I was just reflecting really on the word attitude this morning and thinking about how important our attitude is towards what we're trying to achieve in business. You know, having the right attitude, having a positive attitude, having an attitude of energy perhaps, trying to make sure that we're looking forward to achieving the things that we're trying to achieve, helps us, I think, to create a more likelihood that we will achieve the things we're trying to achieve. I don't want to be negative, but it's just interesting how many people seem to be a bit miserable and a bit off and not very positive about things. And very often I find people talking about things and being a bit negative about things they have no influence over or no control over. And I think my encouragement to people is that maybe what you need to do is start with a positive mindset and try and apply that positive mindset to the things that we do have a control over, the things that we can influence in our lives, and particularly those things that if we do things that influence our lives positively, that reinforces that positive mindset that we really want to have in business and in life. And more importantly, really, it's perhaps part of our role is to help other people to be positive as well. All of the people that we interact with, whether they're our suppliers or our customers or the people that work with us or for us, we need to help those people be positive as well. So perhaps we can all be triggers of sort of creating the good attitude in other people so that they can be more successful too. Anyway, I just thought I'd share that thought with you. It came to me this morning. I thought I've just got to share that because I think it's so important that as business leaders, we help to lead other people and perhaps lead them in some ways, which includes towards a better attitude. Anyway, look, I'll let you have a good day. Take care.